to install the FTK Imager, at first we download the FTK Imager, and for that, just here type FTK Imager download to search for this, and here is the result. At the first line you can see the FTK Imager version 4.3.0 from the accessdata.com. You know, is the FTK Imager is a product of Access Data, and the other version is here 4.2.1. This is the last version, February 4th in 2020. The last version that I used to use was this. So now let's start with this. Because it's very new, maybe need some things. So I double click on that, and here is down FTK Imager version 4.2.1. Download now. You can see here a form that should be filled. Just type your first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, job title, everything, and then click submit. So after submitting, you can see that thank you for downloading, and the link for free download has been sent to the email address. So if you check your email address, you can find the link, and by double clicking on the link, you can download the FTK Imager. It takes maybe just 15 minutes. Okay, now open your email. Because I click on both 4.3 and 4.2, I received two different emails to download each of them. So I have already this version on my desktop, and now just I go install this to show you how. Just remember, if you couldn't see the email in your inbox, please don't forget to check the spam also. Okay, now open this. And here you can see the link, download FTK Imager. Save. I check view download just to see the process. Okay, done. So open folder. And this is the Access Data FTK Imager access. So I just bring this on my desktop. You can see here I have also this. Now I close this. If you want to install, just double click on it. Welcome to the install shield wizard for Access Data FTK Imager. So just click next. I accept the license account. Next. And this is the path that install the file, program file access data. Yes, you can change that if you want. Install. So now the installing of Access Data FTK Imager is in process. So it's successfully installed. Click Finish to exit the wizard. Good. Now we have this here. It creates a shortcut. That's it. Now with clicking this shortcut, we can go. This is the Access Data FTK Imager version 4.3. So in next sections, I will teach you how you can work with this to do the investigation with virtual machines. So I close this